Today I'm here for a science experiment. We are going to do an experiment with colors and everything. Let me show you the materials. You will need 2 bowls, just like these, with water in it. Look, water. You will need a napkin and my favorite, markers. Yes, I will use these ones, okay? Let's go. Okay, so I have here all the material. The 2 bowls with water, the markers, and the napkins. Something important. The bowls or the cups has to be plastic, okay? First, I will get a napkin and start coloring. Yes. What color is this? Oh, great, yellow. I will do the same thing on the other side. Green. Okay, now let's start. The 2 balls are here. I will put one part here, the other part here, and let's wait. Look, it's coming. But don't forget to clean everything after you finish, okay? You have to let everything organized. Now, my friends, it's time for me to say goodbye. But don't worry, I'll be back as soon as possible with another storytelling or another activity, okay? Bye-bye. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Drink water, okay?